Teachers want to remain as advocates for their students, not judges. We're happy to assess them, but not for certification. And that's where the issue lies. We assess our students all the time, but not for certification.
There's been accusations from students and parents alike that this is not a great time to be doing this. It's 2 weeks away from mock exams in some schools, and parents have said that it's disruptive as well, with so many students having to stay at home. What would you say to that?
Well, we accept that. We know it's disruptive, but for over 2 years we have been bringing this issue to the attention of the Department of Education, and it's only when we took drastic action of having to take strike action that anyone has started to listen to what our concerns are, and that is that we just don't feel it's practical for us to be assessing our own students for certification.
The Minister said last night that this happens in other countries around the world, and it's been working okay. It also happens in third level institutions.
I think the relationship that we have with our students in this country and the nature of our education at secondary level is that we are advocates for our students. We have a very strong relationship with them, and so we don't